Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello students. In today's video, we will talk about two great writers of English literature, Geoffrey Chaucer and William Shakespeare. As you know, William Shakespeare, who is called Bard of Avon, and Geoffrey Chaucer, who is called Father of English Literature and Language. We will also discuss and compare the periods which they belong to. Hence, the video is going to be very interesting and informative. So, let's begin. Chaucer and Shakespeare were not only the greatest contributors to English but also major writers who brought characters from all aspects of life. It is said that they brought real characters, the living characters. Chaucer's prologue to Canterbury Tales is considered as the portrait of 14th century or portrait gallery of 14th century. These both writers were born in different eras. Geoffrey Chaucer was born in the Middle Ages, while Shakespeare was born in the Elizabethan era. Geoffrey Chaucer is known as father of English literature, and William Shakespeare is known as Bard of Avon. Chaucer represented the Middle English. On the other hand, William Shakespeare represented Elizabethan era. They both tried tooth and nail to bring English from bottom to top. If we talk about their professional life, Chaucer was a soldier who participated in different wars, especially 100 Years' War, while William Shakespeare was a businessman as well as playwright. Both writers could produce a masterpiece during their lifetime. Canterbury Tales is called masterpiece by Geoffrey Chaucer, and Hamlet is called masterpiece by William Shakespeare. These two writers had many things in common. Chaucer and Shakespeare both served the monarchs. Chaucer wrote for Edward III and Richard II, while William Shakespeare wrote for Elizabeth I and James I. Both writers were great fans of Italians like Petrarch and Boccaccio. They got influence from Italian writers, which can be seen in their works. Both contributed a lot to English language and in the development of English language. It is interesting to note that both writers faced epidemic, the bubonic plague, a disease that spread throughout Europe and killed a lot of people, like we have COVID-19. Geoffrey Chaucer lived from 1343 to 1400 and coincided with Middle Ages. His works were composed between 1374 till his death. He was also a controller of wool for a living. He was also a famous writer of his age. William Shakespeare lived from 1564 to 1616, approximately 200 years after Chaucer. Means there was gap of 200 years between these two great writers. Most of his plays and poetry were written between 1589 and 1613. William Shakespeare was also co-owner of acting troupe Lord Chamberlain's Men, which was later called King's Men. These both writers lived in England and they spoke English. Our next purpose is to compare the period or ages to which Chaucer and Shakespeare belong, that is, the Middle English and the Elizabethan era. The period during which Chaucer lived is called Age of Chaucer, while the time period during which William Shakespeare lived is considered as the Age of Shakespeare. Let's discuss the comparison between these two periods. During Middle English, the main genre of literature was poetry, and during Elizabethan period, the main genre was drama. We can also say that poetry developed during the age of Chaucer, English poetry, and English drama developed in the age of Shakespeare. The major writers of Elizabethan age were John Lyly, George Peele, Christopher Marlowe, William Shakespeare, Robert Greene, etc. etc. While the major writers of Middle English were Gower, Chaucer, and many others. Thanks for your attention. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos about literature, science, and English grammar. Thank you very much.